Class 1 Computer. Today we are going to learn more about parts of a computer in this part 2 video. In our last class, we have learned about mouse and keyboard and their functions. Today we will learn about CPU and monitor and some other parts of a computer and solve some question answers, fill in the blanks and many more exercises. So let's get started. A very good day to my dear students. I hope you all are in good health. Stay safe, stay in home. Have you seen a black box attached to CPU? Have you seen a black box which is attached to a computer? That is known as CPU, Central Processing Unit. CPU means Central Processing Unit. It is a black box connected to the computer. Just like the brain controls the entire body, the CPU controls the entire computer system. So a black box which is connected to a computer, it is just like, we can just compare it to our brain. Like brain controls all our body parts, like that in computer CPU controls all the parts of the computer. All other parts of the computer are connected to the CPU. Okay, just as our brain stores lot of information, in fact, without the CPU, the computer would not even start. So like our brain. Okay, so brain says what to do, what not to do, what to eat, what not to touch, what to touch. It tells everything. Like that, CPU also tells computer each and everything what to do. Okay, so CPU is called the brain of a computer. Like our brain is collecting, storing everything like that. So CPU is called the brain of the computer. CPU is also the storehouse of the computer which stores all the information in it. Okay, CPU is the storehouse of the computer which stores all the information in it. See over here, the very first point is a CPU is the brain of a computer. A CPU is the brain of a computer. Okay, got it clear? The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Number 3, it works according to the instruction given by us. It works according to the instruction given by us. It has a power switch to turn it on or off. It has a power switch to turn it on or off. So what are the basic points of it? A CPU is the brain of a computer. The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. It works according to the instruction given by us, and it has a power switch to turn it on or off. So this is CPU, Central Processing Unit. You have to know the full form of CPU, which is very important. Monitor. Now the next part of the computer is monitor. See the image of the monitor. The monitor of a computer looks like a television. You have a television in your home. So now you can understand what is the difference between a television and a computer. Okay. So, but it looks like a television and displays whatever we are doing on the computer or the work of the computer. It displays everything, whatever we are doing on the computer, and whatever the work is done on the computer, we can see everything on the monitor screen. Okay, we can see or watch movies, cartoons, videos on the monitor screen. We can see movies, watch videos, watch cartoons. We can play games in the monitor screen with the help of the monitor screen. So it is also very important part. Without the monitor screen, a computer is useless because every work it can do, but there should be, it has to be there. Okay, so monitor is also an important part of a computer. Okay, so the monitor of a computer is like a television and displays what we are doing on the computer or what the work is done on the computer. Everything is visible due to the monitor only. Okay, now see in the next slide what are the points given there. See, monitor. A monitor looks like a television. A monitor looks like a television. Okay. It has a power switch. It has a power switch. It is a screen to see whatever we type or draw. It is a screen to see whatever we type or draw. So monitor, it looks like a television. It has a power switch. It is a screen to see whatever we type or draw. Okay, so this is monitor. Other parts of a computer. Other parts of a computer. The other parts that could be connected to a computer are speakers and printers. The other parts that could be connected to a computer are speakers and a printer. So see this image, these are the speakers of a computer. Nowadays different types of speakers you can find in the market. Okay, small speakers, big speakers, and many more types of speaker, Bluetooth speakers, and many more speakers are there. So with the speaker, computer system turns into music system and you can listen to your favorite music on it. With the speaker, computer system turns into music system and you can listen to your favorite music on it. Okay, so we can listen to songs with the help of the speakers. It has a button to increase or decrease the volume. We can listen to songs with the help of speakers. It has a button to increase or decrease the volumes. When you want to write a letter, okay, on the computer, okay, it can be seen only on this monitor screen. When you are writing anything, writing a letter to your friend or family, anybody, but you can write and see in the monitor screen. But if you want, you can print this letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. But if you want, you can print this letter and get a hard copy of your work by using a printer. A printer is used to print the images, photos and documents. A printer is used to print the images, photos and documents. So these are the other parts of a computer which we can connect to the computer. Okay, so these are the other parts of the computer which can be connected to the computer. Those are speakers and printers. Okay. Now you know what are the functions of different parts of a computer. Okay. Now you know what are the functions of different parts of a computer. So let's solve some exercises. Following exercises regarding this. Okay. So our exercises are in the next slides. Please do it carefully. Number A. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Please do it very carefully. Do not make any mistakes. Number 1. A dash is the brain of a computer. So you know which is the brain of a computer? Yes, a CPU is the brain of the computer. So C, P and U will be in capital letter. All the three alphabets will be in capital letter. CPU. Okay. Number 2. A monitor looks like a dash. So how does a monitor looks like it looks like a television. Yes, a monitor looks like a television. Okay, now number 3. We can listen to songs. We can listen to songs with the help of a dash. With the help of a dash. So we can listen to songs with the help of speakers. Yes, so we can listen to songs with the help of speakers. Now number 4. Dash is used to print the images, photos and documents. Dash is used to print the images, photos and documents. So what is used to print? The hard copy from the computer. Yes, the printer is used to print the hard copy from the computer. Whatever we have written down in the computer, if we want any hard copy, we can print it through the help of printer. So printer is used to print the images, photos and documents. See number C. State whether the given statements are true, T or false. State whether the given statements are true, that is T, or false, that is F. So whatever you have to do over here, whether the statement is true or false, when it is true, you are just going to write T, not TRUE. Okay, follow the instructions given in the question. Okay, if it is written like write true or false, then only you will write full true, then you will not write T or F. But if it is written state whether the given statements are true and it's written in bracket T and or false in bracket F, so you are going to write just T or F. Okay, so you have to follow the instructions whatever is given in the question, then only you are going to solve. So see number 1, what it is saying. We use a keyboard to tell the computer what to do. Is it true or false? Say, we use a keyboard to tell the computer what to do. Yes, we are using keyboard to tell what to do to the computer. Okay, so you are going to write T. Okay, now see number 2. A mouse has 4 buttons. A mouse has 4 buttons. So tell me it is true or false? No, mouse has only 2 buttons and 1 wheels. So it will be false, F. Number 3. The CPU is turned on or off with a power switch. The CPU is turned on or off with a power switch. True? We have just read about the CPU that CPU has a button to turn on or off. Okay, so it is true. That means T. A printer helps to point things on a monitor. A printer helps to point things on a monitor. False, because mouse is used to be a pointing device. It is only used to point things on a monitor. Now see the question time. Over here there are 2. Choose the correct answer. This part controls the work of a computer. This part controls the work of a computer. So which part controls the work of a computer? CPU or monitor? Yes, CPU. So tick CPU. Number 2. Which part is used to draw pictures in a computer? Which part is used to draw pictures in a computer? Mouse or a keyboard? Mouse or a keyboard? Yes, mouse. Okay. Now see the questions. Number 1. What is the function of a computer? What is the function of a computer? So you are going to write any 2 functions of a CPU. Okay, what is the function of a CPU? So any 2 function of a CPU you can write. So I have written two functions. You can see the book and write any two functions of the CPU. Okay, so the first function of a CPU is the CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Write it down. The CPU controls all the parts of a computer. Number 2. It works according to the instructions given by us. It works according to the instructions given by us. So these are the two functions of a CPU I have written from the book. Now you can see there are 4 functions given in your book. So you can write any two functions, whatever you think that is easier, you can write it down. Okay. Now number 2, what are the other parts of a computer? What are the other parts of a computer? The other parts of a computers are speakers and printers. Speakers and printers. So these are the two questions. Now you have to draw the parts of a computer. Okay, draw the parts of a computer. You can color it also if you want, but you draw it neat and clean. Till then, thank you.